Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best floral wire cutters is probably one of the most essential tools for crafting stunning artificial flower arrangements, and choosing the right pair can make all the difference in achieving clean cuts, preventing damage to delicate petals, and ensuring the longevity of your creations. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect floral wire cutters, highlighting key features and functionalities to consider, so you can confidently create breathtaking artificial flower displays. Number 5. Boenfu Wire Cutter. This is the Boenfu Wire Cutter, a heavy-duty tool perfect for various cutting needs. Its durable design ensures long-lasting sharpness and ease of use. It boasts an induction-hardened cutting edge, staying sharper for longer. This means clean cuts every time, whether you're working with delicate floral wire or tougher materials. The long, comfortable grips provide excellent leverage, making cutting effortless. It's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for extended use. This tool is incredibly versatile. It easily cuts floral wire, chicken wire, electrical wire, and even plastic, making it ideal for various crafts and tasks. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, even during prolonged use. The angled head allows for easy access in tight spaces. Your purchase includes one 6-inch Boenfu wire cutter, ready to tackle your next project. Start cutting with ease and precision today. What we like? It provides great leverage and cuts various materials with ease. If you need a tool that's comfortable to use for extended periods and tackles multiple tasks, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it perfect for various crafting projects and home repairs. What people say? I needed some small wire cutters for cutting mostly hard plastic zip ties. I have had the really small ones for soft wire which actually break eventually if you cut hard plastic ties. I also have some really large ones for cutting wire and coax cables, but these are perfect for not straining your hands while cutting the ties. Good product. I needed a tool like this that would cut thin metal effectively, relatively easily because I have arthritic hands, and remain sharp enough for a reasonable number of cuts. This tool is outstanding to me because it has met and continues to meet all of my criteria. The point is very sharp, also, and has come in handy to cut into small spaces. I most highly recommend it. The Boenfu 3.5 in mini cutter with lock is cute, small, and does the job perfectly. I use it to clip small resin pieces, and it works like a charm. It's a handy little tool that has quickly become essential in my toolkit. Number 4. Billbotk Wire Cutters. These aren't your average wire cutters. They're built to last, thanks to high-hardness carbon steel and a comfortable, non-slip grip. With ultra-sharp blades, it effortlessly cuts through wire up to 14 AWG. Perfect for various tasks, from jewelry making to electronics work. The heat-treated carbon steel jaws provide exceptional strength and durability, ensuring they can handle daily use without cracking. The double-layered rubber sponge handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The finely polished and electroplated surface is smooth, anti-rust, and prevents scratching your projects. It's designed for precision work. At just 4.1 by 3.35 inches, it's perfectly sized for one-handed use. The strong spring and anti-skid handle make it easy and efficient to use. What we like? Its improved blades ensure clean cuts on small wires. If you're working with delicate materials and need precision, this is your ideal choice. Its compact size makes it perfect for detailed work and easy storage. What people say? The grips are good, the tension not too tight, and they're easy to manipulate with one hand. They feel well built and they are sharp. Spring-loaded to open is convenient. It has a snug soft-tip soft protective cover that clips in place to protect your fingers. It also will cut paper clip size wire. Another use for this tool, I use it to ream buttonholes to stretch them to make it so much easier to button small buttons. Number 3. IGAN 7-inch Wire Cutters. It's forged from tempered CRV steel. The jaws are hardened for long life and superior performance. These spring-loaded pliers feature a high-leverage design. This minimizes hand fatigue, making it perfect for repetitive tasks. They easily cut through tough materials. It handles steel wire up to 1.6 mm and copper wire up to 9 gauge. The padded handles provide comfort and control. This makes it easier to use for extended periods. They are ideal for various applications. Use them for cutting artificial flowers, chicken wire, or electrical work. Experience the power and precision of these heavy-duty wire cutters. They are built to last and handle any job with ease. What we like. The spring-loaded design minimizes hand fatigue. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cutter for frequent use, this is the perfect option. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance for demanding tasks. What people say. They still cut through wire like they're made of butter. With the tool being spring-loaded, you can go from cut to cut without struggling to open the tool each cut. It was a good weight and looks like it will last a long time. The cuts didn't take much effort at all, and the cutters remain just as sharp as they started out. Number 2. XFasten Floral Arrangement Kit. This kit has all the essentials for your next floral project. It includes floral tape, wire cutters, and wires in various gauges to suit your needs. The waterproof and color-fast tape ensures a clean application. The durable yet flexible wires are perfect for supporting even large flower stems. It's simple to use. Start by cutting stems, then intertwine them with wire, and secure everything with tape. It's that easy. This kit is ideal for creating bouquets, wreaths, or any other floral craft project you can imagine. Unleash your creativity. It's great for various projects, from wedding bouquets to home decor accents. The heavy-duty cutter is also perfect for other crafts. Remember to stretch, bend, and wrap the floral tape tightly around the stems to activate the wax-based adhesive for a secure hold. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for floral arrangements. If you're a beginner or enjoy DIY projects, this is a great starting point. It's perfect for creating beautiful bouquets and wreaths. What people say. I make tiny flowers and the stems and tapes are very handy. Quick arrival and useful product as described. Number 1. Mr. Penn 6-Wire Cutter. This versatile tool is perfect for various cutting needs. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. It's designed for precise flush cuts, making it ideal for intricate work. The angled head allows for easy access to tight spaces. It effortlessly cuts through a wide range of wires up to 1.3 mm in diameter. This makes it suitable for various applications. It boasts heat-treated carbon steel construction for exceptional durability and longevity. You can rely on it for years to come. The non-slip grips provide comfort and control during use, reducing hand fatigue. The curved foredge prevents glare and increases corrosion resistance. Precision ground holes and surfaces ensure smooth, effortless cutting action. Experience the difference of a finely crafted tool. What we like. It offers precise flush cuts on various wires. If you need a tool for clean, precise cuts and value durability, this is a great option. The angled head allows for easy access in tight spaces. What people say. Well made and great price, should last for years. The handles are cushioned, which can spare you hand if you have to exert much power. These are an exact duplicate of a lost pair that I had 30 years. I was afraid that the quality would suffer on new ones, but it did not. Great little set of pliers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.